Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to calculate how much energy a solar panel can produce in a day. So step by step and super easy to understand. Step number 1. Start with basics. Let's say you have a solar panel rated at 300 watts and your area gets around 6 hours of sunlight per day. To figure out how much energy your panel can produce, you simply multiply 300 watt multiplied by 6 hours. So the answer becomes 1800 watt hour. This number 1800 watt hour is the raw energy your solar panel could generate in one day. Step number 2. Adjust for real world efficiency. Solar panel doesn't work at 100% efficiency due to things like dirt, heat and wiring losses. A good estimate is to assume about 75% efficiency. So we multiply 1800 watt hour multiplied by 0.75. So the answer becomes 1350 watt hour. This means your panel will realistically produce 1350 watt hours of usable energy in a day. Step number 3. Convert to kilowatt hour. Electricity bill use a unit called kilowatt hour or kWh. To convert watt hours to kilowatt hours, you divide by 1000. 1350 watt hour divided by 1000, so the answer becomes 1.35 kilowatt hour. So your solar panel will generate around 1.35 kilowatt hour per day. Step number 4. Make it easy to remember. Here is the simple formula you can use always. Solar panel watt multiplied by sunlight hour multiplied by efficiency is equal to daily output in watt hour. Then divide by 1000 to get kilowatt hour. So now you know that how to calculate your solar panel's daily energy output. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.